How's it going, everybody? I'm Nate Beck, and you're watching Fix My Hog. So today we're here and we're going to talk about tool rolls. Part of being a biker is knowing how not to be stuck on the side of the road and how to get yourself home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a basic overview of some tools that will help you. Now keep in mind that this will change depending on your year and model of Harley Davidson. Now there's many options as well of bags to put this in. Bags that fit on your forks, bags that fit on your handlebars, bags that will fit on your sissy bar, so you don't have to keep this in a saddlebag. But what's more important than the bag is what's in the bag. So let's get into it. So right here we have just some basic sockets. We got a 3/8, a 7/16, a half, a 9/16, and a 10 mil. A 10 mil is going to be probably the most important one out of here, because keep in mind, if your battery cable comes loose, you're not going very far, and that's where your 10 mil is going to come in handy. And with this, I like to keep a small mini ratchet just to save space. Another thing I really like to have is a good quality thread locker. If something comes loose and starts to fall out, it's pretty easy just to throw a couple dabs of this on there, put it back on, and you're back in riding. Now another thing if something comes loose are zip ties. Zip ties and bungee cords will take you miles. Not only will it help keep parts on your bike that are not affected by heat, but also it will keep a leather jacket on your handlebars. It will keep a saddlebag closed if your buckle should break. So bringing a good supply of zip ties and a bungee cord is absolutely necessary. Again, because we're on a motorcycle, we don't have a lot of space, so we have to be smart about this. What I like to do is I like to carry a screwdriver with an open bit and a whole array of stuff here. Now, oftentimes, we kind of forget exactly what bits we need on our motorcycle, so a big selection with this is absolutely good. Keep in mind, Harley Davidson loves to use Torx bits, so something with a T25, a T27, and even possibly a T40. Again, absolute must. A good quality spark plug gap tool. Another common problem to happen on Harleys, you're going to foul your plugs. You need to replace your plugs. Maybe they're not gapped properly from your local auto parts store. So this is pretty easy and it's pretty small and it'll keep you going on the road. But you also need the tool that's going to get the spark plug in and out. So here we have a 5/8, an extender, and the handle to make sure you get it in and out, and it's probably going to be happening when your bike's hot and running, which is why I like the extender to keep my hands away from the hot engine. Locking pliers, again, a must-have. There's so many parts on a Harley Davidson, and the parts change depending on the year and model, so having just a good quality locking plier that can handle a vast array of applications, absolutely. Good set of Allen wrenches. Some open-end wrenches. Again, we have the sockets, but sometimes maybe we can't get our hands in there to adjust what we need, put something back in, take something out. And again, remembering that a 10 mil is going to be one of the most important things considering your battery connections. Something I also like about open-end wrenches is that you can get them as combination wrenches. So on one end, you're going to have a 1/2, and on the other hand, you're going to have a 9/16. Saves on space. We can put more stuff in our bags. A nice quality Crescent wrench is also good. Again, for those things that maybe it's not a 7/16, it's not a 9/16, it's not a 1/2. Handle all the rest of your problems with one of these. Air pressure tire gauge. I like to check my tire pressure once a day, at least if I'm going. Changes in altitude, temperatures, basic wear and stuff. It's going to change your tires, and when you only have two, it's really important to keep your tires properly inflated to the spec on the tire. A good quality box cutter to cut those zip ties after we use them. Now, while zip ties are great, and I love to preach the brilliance of zip ties, a zip tie is not going to help you if your exhaust falls off. Especially if you're riding an older Harley Davidson where the mounts sometimes get rusty or loose. You put a zip tie on that, all it's going to do is going to melt. So having a good quality mechanics wire, and a lot of it, is going to really help out in case a part that is heat affected falls off or needs to be kept on. Now this right here is something that I just came across and I really like it. Again, I ride a 2015 Sportster, so I could run into battery issues, and if I can't get a battery, that's it. So what this is an all-in-one battery jumpstart package. It can also charge my phone, a laptop, and I like the fact that it has a flashlight right here, so in case I have to work on my bike at night or in the dark, It's all in one, it's good to go, and they say you can get about 30 jumps off one charge, so I can really make this go the distance for me. Some good quality electrical tape in case you come into electrical issues. You need to be cutting, splicing wires and putting them back together to make sure that headlight's working to get you home at night. You're going to need some electrical wire. Lastly, a good quality tire plug kit. I like riding in weird off places that are pretty far from any Harley-Davidson dealership. So a good quality tire plug kit is going to be absolutely necessary. Now I like this one because not only does it plug, but it actually comes with CO2 canisters that you can actually refill a tire with and limp it all the way home. Again, now these are just a few things that I like to take with me on my trips. Yours is going to be slightly different depending on your make Harley-Davidson. Now remember, if you run into a problem that you don't know how to fix, Fix My Hog is available on the mobile site. So you can pull it up on your mobile, you have your tools, make sure you get home safe. So until next time, ride safe, wrench safe, and we'll see you on the road.